Now you can make a great impression on your customers even as you invoice with the all-new QuickBooks. It's easy to add your company's personality and branding to design custom, professional invoices in seconds. Just upload your logo and voila! We automatically match the color so it looks exactly like your business. You can play with colors, fonts, and template styles to make your invoices look just like you want. And with Live Preview, you can see how it looks in real time as you make your changes. Use the customized fields and columns to easily include all your individual business info. Now with the all-new QuickBooks, you can get paid faster too. Just turn on the payment option. You can email invoices right from QuickBooks. And customers can chat with you about the details, as well as instantly pay you. You'll be alerted when you get paid. Your books will be automatically updated. And QuickBooks will even deposit the money in the bank for you. It's safe, secure, and yes, instantaneous. This is your business on the all-new QuickBooks. Run with it.